So this has to be one of the most requested dashcam review videos in the recent times, and since its launch I have been getting hundreds of messages every day on the YouTube, on my Instagram page to review this particular dashcam. And I'm talking about the Qubo Pro 3K, the most recently launched STARVIS-2 back dash camera. Now this comes at a price of about 12,000 rupees for the dual channel variant, and the single channel variant will probably come under 10k. And finally I got this camera with me right here. So this is from dashcaminsider.in. A huge thanks to Dashcam Insider for sending me this camera. You should check out this website as well. You'll find some interesting cameras and deals right there. So let's quickly show you the box right here. So this is the Dashcam Pro 3K STARVIS-2 backed Qubo dash camera. So Qubo had a 3K dash camera which I've previously reviewed in one of my videos. I've actually made a comparison video of the Qubo Pro 3K with the A510. You can check that out on my channel. But this updated version gets the latest STARVIS-2 sensor, and with STARVIS-2 comes super excellent low light performance. So there is certain thing which you need to know about this camera is that this camera supports 1 terabyte of storage. I mean, I'm not sure if 1 TB memory card is even available. The maximum I've seen is a 512 GB. But nevertheless, even if you do get a 512 GB card, you will get hours and hours worth of footage without the loop recording having to take effect. Along with the fact that this comes at a price of about 12,000 rupees. And just note, if you do purchase using the link in the description below, my affiliate link, you can even get a free rupee 500 worth of gift along with this dash camera. So do make sure to check out the link in the description if you want to know some more details about this camera, and if you want to grab a free gift along with the camera as well. That being said, having nearly 1 terabyte worth of storage is definitely a plus point for many users, many customers who are looking to have the longest amount of storage duration. Now of course I just received this today, so this is not going to be a review video, but I can do is I can open up the box and show you the camera right here. Alright, so here's the Qubo 3K Pro 3K STARVIS-2 back dashcam, pretty much similar to the previous 3K model which I have reviewed on my channel. And since this gets STARVIS-2 sensor, it's definitely worth considering because this comes at a price of less than 50k, or should I say very much close to 10,000 rupees. Now this is the regular sized, regularly designed rear camera, nothing very special about it. This shoots full HD resolution. It also gets a switch at the bottom. You get a micro USB port for the rear camera, a Type-C port for the front camera. On top you get a micro USB connector for the rear, you get a power button, and you get a close to 3-inch display, although I do think the bezel is kind of large on the display. They could have covered it with a more display size right there. Nevertheless, you get the control buttons at the bottom, lots of ventilation holes, and you also get a STARVIS-2 logo right here at the bottom of the camera. The windshield mount gets 2 dual stickers for the best possible addition to your windshield, and the good thing being this camera can even adapt to vertical windshields. So as you can see right now, if you do consider this as a vertical windshield, there is a probably good enough gap between the lens and the windshield module. You can even detach the main mount from the camera, so this can be removed easily from the windshield mount if you ever feel the need to remove the camera. So I'll be starting the work on the Qubo 3K dash camera pretty soon. I'll be bringing up a very awesome review video which you all have been waiting for, and is definitely worth watching before you actually decide on purchasing this dash cam. Now I'm super excited that I've received it, and I'm very excited to share this news with you guys. So you can be assured that the video on the camera on the Qubo Pro 3K will be dropping soon. So if you want to make sure that you do not miss that video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, like this video and share this video with all your friends who are waiting to take a deep look into the Qubo Pro 3K STARVIS-2 back dash cam. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.